Hi Vintage Bakers! Today I'm in the kitchen making an easy banana caramel pudding cake.
This cake is absolutely packed with rich, moist flavor and will have everyone asking for the recipe. It's extremely quick and easy to make because we're using boxed cake mix and boxed pudding mix for the spongiest cake that's also infused with intense caramel flavor.
This amazing retro cake was a bit of an old-fashioned viral sensation amongst my grandmother's friends. Boxed foods and mixes were all the rage, and clever home cooks found ways of using and improving these new grocery store staples in all sorts of delicious recipes. But can boxed cake and pudding mix really turn into a bakery quality dessert? I'll show you how.
Let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make banana caramel pudding cake.
In a large bowl, add 1 box of white cake mix, 1 box of instant butterscotch pudding mix, 3/4 of a cup of water, and 1/2 cup of oil. Adding packaged pudding mix to your cake ingredients is going to improve the overall flavor and texture of the cake. If you've ever had or made chocolate chip pudding cookies, then you'll know that adding boxed pudding mixes to baked goods is a game changer. Next, I'm going to add in 4 eggs. And now to add in my banana flavor. I'm going to mash 3 overripe bananas and add those to the bowl. If you want to make this recipe but your bananas are still yellow and firm, you can quickly soften them by placing them with their skin on into your preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius oven for 5 to 7 minutes. Once they're cool enough to handle, remove them from their skin and they will be soft and mashable. Blend this mixture together until the powder has become wet. Then increase the speed and beat for 2 minutes. This will make sure that you don't have cake mix powder all over your kitchen. Now your batter should be light, airy, and bubbly. Gently stir in the 3/4 of a cup of butterscotch chips. Chocolate chips will also work if that's all you have on hand. Now I'm ready to pour my batter into a greased and floured bundt pan, or cake pan of your choice. I'm using a silicone one here, but I find that the metal ones work even better. Bake in a preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius oven for 45 to 50 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean.
This cake is so flavorful and moist. My favorite way of serving it is with a simple dusting of icing sugar, or with a big scoop of ice cream to melt on top.
Allow the cake to cool, remove from the pan, and set on top of your cake stand or serving dish. And now I'm ready to slice and serve. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.